Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Dogelonmars price prediction and Dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. Today we will tell you news about Dogelonmars cryptocurrency. Elon Musk's brother. When we invested in Bitcoin, we were very ignorant. Elon Musk, the brother of Tesla co-founder and CEO Elon Musk, says that the electric vehicle manufacturer was originally very ignorant of Bitcoin's environmental concerns when it added BTC to its balance sheet. As you may remember, on February 2021, Tesla filed an annual report with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on Form 10-K for the year ended 31 December 2020. This report stated that Tesla had invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. The relevant section of the annual report reads, "We hold and may acquire digital assets that may be subject to volatile market prices, impairment and unique risks of loss." In January 2021, we updated our investment policy to provide us with more flexibility to further diversify and maximize returns on our cash that is not required to maintain adequate operating liquidity. As part of a policy, which was duly approved by the audit committee of our board of directors, we may invest a portion of such cash in certain alternative reserve assets, including digital assets, gold bullion, gold exchange traded funds and other assets as specified in the future. Thereafter, we invested an aggregate $1.50 billion in Bitcoin under this policy, and may acquire and hold digital assets from time to time or long term. Moreover, we expect to begin accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment for our products in the near future, subject to applicable laws, and initially on a limited basis, which we may or may not liquidate upon receipt. The prices of digital assets have been in the past, and may continue to be highly volatile, including as a result of various associated risks and uncertainties. For example, the prevalence of such assets is a relatively recent trend, and their long-term adoption by investors, consumers, and businesses is unpredictable. Moreover, their lack of a physical form, their reliance on technology for their creation, existence and transactional validation and their decentralization, may subject their integrity to the threat of malicious attacks and technological obsolescence. Finally, the extent to which securities laws or other regulations apply or may apply in the future to such assets is unclear and may change in the future. If we hold digital assets and their values decrease relative to our purchase prices, our financial condition may be harmed. Moreover, digital assets are currently considered indefinite-lived intangible assets under applicable accounting rules, meaning followers on the microblogging site what their thoughts were concerning the probable inflation rate in the United States over the next few years. In response to Musk's tweet, MicroStrategy CEO, Michael Saylor, reiterated that he sees a future where consumer and asset inflation will continue to reach new all-time highs, triggering serious capital flights from inflation-prone instruments like cash, value stocks, and others, to scarce property like Bitcoin. Dogecoin sees 10% bounce, further consolidating Saylor's prediction. Musk advised his followers to latch onto physical investments like real estate or the stocks of stable companies, instead of keeping the US dollar, adding that he himself is still holding on to his Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin and doesn't plan to liquidate his portfolio anytime soon. As a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home, or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high. "I still own, and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge for," declared Musk. As expected, Musk's tweet triggered a sudden pump in the price of Dogecoin, Doge, pushing the meme coin from around $0.111 at 410 UTC to as high as $0.122 by 417 UTC. However, the digital asset has since lost steam, trading around $0.1156 at the time of writing this report, with Bitcoin and Ether hovering around the $39,234 and $2,604 price regions respectively. It's worth noting that Musk has a strong affinity for Dogecoin, and the 50-year-old multi-billionaire never misses a chance to hype his favorite altcoin. Last May, crypto. News reported that SpaceX, Elon Musk's rocket manufacturing firm, had accepted Dogecoin, Doge, as payment from Canada's Geometric Energy Corporation, GEC, to launch the Doge-1 satellite to the moon before the end of Q1 2022. SpaceX launching satellite Doge-1 to the moon next year. Mission paid for in Doge. First crypto in space. First meme in space. To the moon. Tweeted Musk at the time. And second news, Elon Musk says he's not selling Bitcoin amid high inflation. Elon Musk tweeted, "I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin," in response to CEO Mitchell Saylor, discussing the collapse of weaker currency. Elon Musk, technicking of Tesla, says, "I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin" as a signal for the holding of assets in times of high inflation. Mitchell Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, states that weaker currencies will collapse, in reference to high levels of inflation. Musk also said it is generally better to own physical things like a home or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high. In a recent tweet, Elon Musk, technicking of Tesla, attempted to both question the likelihood of continued inflation over the next couple of years and soothe concerns of his followers looking for advice as it relates to dealing with inflation by stating, "I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin." What are your thoughts about probable inflation rate over next few years? Musk asked his followers. With an inflation rate of 7.9% reported for the month of February 2022, this represents the highest levels of inflation. Dogelon is currently worth $0.00000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is Dogelon Elon, a good investment? How much will Dogelon cost in 2025, or how much will Dogelon cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Dogelon Elon, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelon market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelon will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As science and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelon the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025 Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum